Do you own a highly appreciated asset, like undeveloped land or stock options, or a business interest? Do you intend to sell it, convert it to income, or leave it to your family? Did you know that you can do all three and avoid taxation on the appreciated value? With a charitable remainder trust or CRT and an asset replacement trust or ART, you can sell a highly appreciated asset without paying tax on the gain, receive a current income tax deduction for up to 5 years, convert the proceeds from the sale into guaranteed lifetime income, leave a legacy or endowment to benefit one or several charities or nonprofit institutions, like a college or university, your religious community, or charitable organizations like the Humane Society, Habitat for Humanity, the United Way, or St. Jude's Hospital, even your own 501c3 private foundation, and still leave your family with tax-free cash.